Hello, guys. So, welcome back to the series called Trade Logics. So, this week I only took only one trade and I made enough money that I didn't need even a single trade for the rest of the week. And I closed the week on a very profitable trade. Although this trade ran for more than like 3 days, but it ended in 1 is to 2.5 risk to reward ratio. So let me tell you how I took this trade and let me explain the logic behind that. So if you are new to Forex, this video is going to be very helpful for you. So how I took the trade, as you know that I have a very simple formula: identify the trend and then take the trade in the favor of trend. So as I can see that Canadian dollar versus Swiss franc is on a, you can say, downward trajectory since a very long time, and there are some minor pullbacks and then there are sharp falls, and I can see things happening again and again. So I went on to you can say more micro situation. I dropped my area of interest and I have already created those videos, and hopefully you have watched those levels. So these are order blocks, or you can say my area of interest where I'm interested in taking a trade. I created those areas. These lines are where I'm interested, and I saw a pattern forming over here. As you can see on a 4-hour chart, there is a clear W pattern formed. Oh, head and shoulder pattern, not W, head and shoulder form. And after that the trade started moving in our direction, and this was last week. As you can see, it's 6 or 7 November, but on Friday this trade actually since the week was closing, and I was not going to risk my position because there will be lot of very huge swaps and they can eat away my positions very easily. So I closed the trade on a very small loss. Next week I waited. I saw that the position that I had initially taken was going in reverse. Then I saw something very interesting, that the position started to come, the price actually came to a halt at this point. And then what I saw was that was actually it was a liquidity sweep, and then after that there was two huge, you can say, engulfing bearish candles, and that was it. And I knew that I'm gonna take a trade on that, and I immediately understand that it was just a, you can say, a liquidity sweep, nothing else. And after that, as soon the price crosses my area of interest with a huge engulfing candle, so I immediately entered, and as soon as I entered the trade started moving in my direction. This is a 1-hour chart, and you can see the K price is going down, 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 and further down. At this point, it was around, you can say, the trade was running from 11th November till 13th November, and I had, you can say, I was expecting a small rejection since it was another order block area. So I felt greedy and closed my position on 1.25 risk to reward ratio. Although if I had kept running my position, I could have easily achieved 1:3 risk to reward ratio, but sometimes being too much greedy can, you can say, can erode your profits. So I exited the position over here, and after that I saw the position, rather than going down upward, it has again started to come downward. So I took a small, you can say, very small position on a 5-minute time frame. When I saw this pattern forming, I immediately exited, and as soon as I exited on a very small loss, you can say like 0.1. Although it was unnecessary trade, I just took it for fact, because actually I was getting bored, so I thought, why not take another position. So I closed the week, and it was actually Friday, so it was a very small position. I usually don't trade on Fridays. It was my, you can say, uh, remedy to boredom. So this is how I took the position. How I draw my levels, let me show you. how, as I told you, what was my entry point, what was my logic, and how I decided to where to take the, you can say, take profit. I initially thought, or you can say aimed for this area, the lowest point of the chart. But since I saw the price was getting weaker, so I just put my take profit slightly above it. But when I saw there was a huge, big engulfing candle, and when there is this much of a engulfing candle at the end of a chart, most of the time it raced back. So that's why I closed it. But I would call it a win. It was a very profitable week, and we enjoyed the profit. And if you are interested in trading forex, so all those you can say brokers that I choose are available in the link that I have provided to you in the description. And if you are trading from Pakistan, then there are some government registered brokers also. I have also provided the list, and you can join them as well. So hopefully you have learned a lot from this video, and hopefully we will make more profits in the future. And that would be all. This is my signing off. Allah Hafiz.